I've been looking at ways to save time while I dry my hair, but also I want to improve the health of my hair. I want it to be shiny and smooth and healthy. So I am unboxing and reviewing a product today that's by TYMO. This is the AIRHYPE, which is a high-speed hair dryer, and I'm unboxing this for you to kind of show you everything that comes along in the package. But I'm also going to show you my techniques on how I dry my hair in a super humid location. I'm in Austin, Texas, so I have to spend a little bit more time getting my hair to that perfect blowout that will last for days and be smooth while also not frying my hair. So I'm really excited to show you guys this product. As you can see, it comes with so many cool advanced little attachments, and they're all magnetic. They hook onto the head with a magnet, which is super high tech for me. It's lightweight. It's also super quiet. Even though it's super powerful, it's quiet, which I absolutely love. It has an LED screen. I feel like this is the most advanced hairdryer I've ever seen in my life, and it comes with all of these tips on how to use this, and it has a cool shot, which I'm obsessed with because I like to seal the cuticle of my hair with a cold shot after I get it dried with the high heat. So these are all of the attachments that attach with the magnet, but let's get started into the technique. So what I like to do is I like to divide my hair in two, and I will apply a few products to my hair before I start drying. I've recently become obsessed with these products, and I will link these below for you and also tag them in the YouTube shop if they do have them available for you. But I use quite a bit of this because, as you can see, I have long hair. My texture is almost curly to wavy, 100% frizzy basically, so I have to tame it with a few different products. These are the ones that I'm currently loving, so I'll link those below. This is going to be a heat protector, so I like to spray this directly into my hands, and I will go over my entire lovely locks that are super long. And you really have to feel this out. You kind of need to see how much you need. You'll figure it out. If you put too much, it's kind of going to look like you didn't wash your hair. So use less next time. If your hair's frizzy, you didn't use enough. That's my advice. I like to brush everything through after I've applied the product because this will make sure it's distributed evenly. I like to put up half of my hair and start drying the lower section into two sections. Now you'll see this is going to be a heat protector for each layer, but I like to do this dividing my hair because I really want to make sure every lock is protected with heat. And here we go. So I'm starting with the hair dryer. As you can see, the technique that I use is pointing the hair dryer in a downward position. I do have this on the highest heat because my hair is thick, it's coarse, it's super long. I have to get those curls and waves kind of in shape. I have to make sure that they go super straight. So you'll see that I will repeat this process on the high heat until the hair is completely dry. What I love about this hair dryer is that it is lightweight, and look at the shape of this. It's ergonomic for my hand. Once I feel like that side is dry, I turn it over to the cool shot, and I will also repeat that process of pointing the hair dryer completely down, and this is going to seal that cuticle and let it know like, okay, you're good. This is the style you're going to keep all day. If you skip that cool shot, your cuticle is going to remain open, and that's going to cause a lot of frizz and just untamed, unruly hair. So to keep that style, don't skip this step of the cool shot that's going to lock those cuticles in place. Then once I'm done, I like to whip that into a little bun, clip that up, and move to the top. So you'll see I'll divide that top section into two sections. I divide it right down the middle. Again, with that heat protector from IGK, I will link this below. And then again, I will brush that product through my hair and start with the high heat. I will continue to point that hair dryer in a downward position, and I like to repeat that process going through each strand just like this rather than blowing it rogue and wild. I like to blow a concentrated direction to let my hair know, look, I want this to be straight and I want you to go down. So I will continue to do that exact same motion and then follow through with that cold shot. Once I feel like that section is dry with the high heat, I will go over it again with the cold shot. I did get 2 products from TYMO, so this first video is showing you how I use the hairdryer and kind of a review of that, but I do wanna show you the completed look, which I'm going to complete with another TYMO product, a very super cool one-pass straightening tool, so I'm excited to show you that. I'm going to link that video here at the end of this one, so you can see the completed look, but did you see how quickly I dried all of this hair in Austin, Texas? Super humid. Everything's dry, ready to go, and I will move on to the styling with the one pass straightening. Let's go.